Here I have TCL 30 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. By tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can enable or disable dark mode, and you can set up schedule for this mode. You can select start time, end time of the scheduled power saving mode. And that's all the settings of power saving. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.